Whack fuck here. Whack.
Oh my god! Oh!
Oh.哎呦，可以。
然后他就偷偷的把那只狗带回家了。
啊！Ming oh.
Minsan po pag nagbabayad sa office.
sir. Dobby the house elf.
Bagel, no! Bagel! Bagels!
No vas a estar.
Hello? No! No! Smell it. Smell it. Oh God. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
on the playground.
Kaiser, what are you doing? Kaiser.
Where is the...
El gato mamalón. Con su traje de Ayouen.
No, 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 no.
Oye, no, no, Totoro, no.
Give me my bread, Novi.
Ah.
Hai, katanya kamu namanya Mujair ya? Ih, anjing, anjing! Give me my bread, Novi.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
No! What are you doing? Beans!
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds.
Jadilah bunga matahari.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, Kitty.
Said evil Kitty.
Lolita.
I am done socializing, please. I would like to go home. My social battery is 0, please. I just want to go home. I just want to go home, please. Why can't I open the door? I do not want to socialize anymore. I just want to go home. Why can I not get inside my cage? I hate the outside world. Please, please, let me back in here. I give up. I give up. I accept my fate.
Okay, I got a good one for you. What is the catchphrase of the Italian mouse version of the Terminator? Pasta la mista, baby. Could you get me out of here, please?
You know, I'm so glad I agreed to this spa day. I really needed it. It's been a while, you know, and I think I've just been going a little bit too ham lately. Just a little bit too ham. So, yeah, I think I really could use this break. I am at peace.
I don't speak German, so I'm pretty sure we should just run. Keep ready. Are we getting anywhere? Run. Just keep going.
Midday, at home, work sucks. I know. I like to touch my computer screen. My mom always says I'm mean.
Welcome back to Unraveling the Yarn, the podcast where we uncover catastrophic conspiracies. I'm your host, Whiskers Deepclaw. Today we're going to be discussing the catnip control plot, which we all know is a mind control substance distributed by powerful interests, aka the good boys, aka the dog state, to keep the feline population docile and easily manageable. Wake up, kitty cats, nap time is over. I'm gluten-free. Get it out of my sight.
If I'm being honest, I'm not crazy about the chair. I know you found it on the street and it was free, but it's pretty fugly, so I think it should go back to the curb.
Oh, what a nice hand. Okay, don't bite. Just getting pet. Do not bite the hand. Do not bite. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to take a chomp. Sorry. Lick. Sorry, that wasn't me. So urges, thank you. Lick. A little more chomp. Sorry, can't help it.
Hi, so I ordered a 20-piece chicken McNug and there was only 19. I counted. Oh, okay, thank you so much. Can I also get 6 more sweet and sour sauces, please?
Oh yeah, look at me, I'm Darren. I gotta go get in the Suburban and drive to the post office. Oh, who's on my Netflix? What are you watching on Netflix? I wanna watch Top Chef. Oh, look at me, I'm Darren, so cool. Yeah, that's what you look like, Darren.
Who's that pretty kitty cat? Wait, who is that? Who is that? I haven't seen. Who is that? That guy's scary. Get away from me. Who's that scary kitty cat? Oh, it's me.
Now, where the heck did I leave my tail? I know it's around here somewhere. Mom, have you seen my tail?
It's stuck to your butt, honey.
Oh, yep, you're right. There it is, right there, where I left it.
Okay, I can feel it. I can feel it. I can smell it. I can smell the fry. The fry is down here. I can see it. I can smell it. Let's try again. Okay, big reach. Big reach. Get it.
We are goats and we're stuck in a tree. We are goats and we're stuck in a tree. Please stop filming and help me. It's been days and we're very thirsty.
Help.
Please, someone help us down.
Get a ladder,
Seriously.
maybe.
We've been up here long enough to make up that song. I haven't slept in days.
I'd like to see the government try to read my mind now. You just come at me, you dark web intellectual elites. I will not be... Oh!
Hey! I want to go to Cracker Barrel. I don't care if I'm tired. I want to go to Cracker Barrel to get them really good chicken fingers and all kinds of country doohickeys. Okay?
Hey, look, Mom. I'm a bath bomb.
Don't do it.
Oh, you gotta let me soak. What are you doing?
I've just had the longest little cat day. I think I'm just gonna sit here and take a nice little cat nap. Yeah.
Midday, at home, work sucks. I know. I like to touch my computer screen. My mom always says I'm mean.
Okay, I think we can make this work. If you just get a bigger hat, I think this could work. Okay, I'll put it this way. Have you ever seen the movie Ratatouille?
Yikes. Humble and hustle? Ugh, how tacky. You know what we should put here is one of those posters that says, hang in there, and it's got the cat hanging. Oh, that'll be inspirational.
No. We talked about this. We said Roomba or a baby, and then you had the baby.
There once was a cat, and the cat was me, and I made a little boat, and I went to sea. My ears perked up, and my paws went down. Oh, meow, my kitty cat's meow. Soon may the milky man come to bring us milk and bring more milk. There once was a pup, and the pup was me, and he hopped in a boat, and he sailed to sea. His ears perked up, and his tongue hung down. Oh, bark, my puppy dogs bark. Hoof! Soon may the humans come to scratch our ears and pat our thumbs. One day when the licking is done, we'll take our bones and go.
I wish I could drive this jet ski. It is illegal. A dog can't drive a jet ski, but it would just be our little secret. You and me on a jet ski. Let me drive it. Let me drive it, please. When I won Best in Show, everybody said you changed. You let the money go to your head, and that's not true. You know, I own a boat now, sure. I own all these towels. I own so many towels. And this person that I've paid to just, scratch the back of my neck whenever I want. But other than that, I'm still the same dog, I lick my butt just like every other dog.
Oh, hello, Mama. Since you did not want to play with me, instead I found a toy of my own. It's your Unterhose. Oh, that song. Dumps like a truck. Size like was. Baby, move your butt. I think I'll sing it again. She had dumps like a truck.
Hey, Derek, up here. I'm in the bed, even though you told me not to be, and I'm rubbing my ding-dong all over your pillow, you freaking jabroni.
Bailey,
what?
Did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
I can neither confirm nor deny.
You left and there was still food on this plate.
Well, that
Who ate it?
is hearsay, and I object to this
Couldn't have
line
been
of
you,
questioning.
huh?
And
No.
I think I'd like to speak to my lawyer now at this current juncture, perhaps, and I would appreciate if you would stop. I think you're badgering the witness, so I object.
It wasn't you?
Nope, I'm not going to do it. It's a bad idea. I'm not doing a singing ukulele apology video. It's a terrible idea.